right, guys. Last trading day for the week. Let's see what we can get in here. Um, Here again, guys. We had our turtle soup trade from yesterday. Bounced off the daily order block. Perfect entry there from the bottom. Scaled it in. Unfortunately, market started entering like a ranging environment at the end of the day. You guys can see from these candle wicks here and stuff like that. Um, Started ranging end of the day, but then got the OTE on the 15 minute, made it back up. Account balance now. Have to log in again. I'm logged in here. Okay, you guys can see my account balance here on this account challenge is gonna be $151,331.70. So right now we're about 1.3k. Um, we're about 1.3k deep. Where's our profit target? Only have to hit 2.7, another 2.7 more, and then we'll be able to get a live funded account. So definitely on the way there. But something I wanted to talk to you guys about is like before we even get into our trading, because it looks like it's going to be a pretty slow morning, anyways. I mean, I could chart this pretty quickly, but like you guys in the chat, like how do we know if we're in a ranging environment or in a like how do I say it, like a trending environment? And how do you guys like normally position yourself around that? Because there's definitely like mechanical ways to know. So I just want to hear from you guys a little bit here. I mean, I could just tell you too, but like definitely, I got a lot of DMs in the chat, so I just wanted to see how you guys were doing it. Okay, okay, so right, that could be for like an inside day, like an inside day ranging environment, but like is that going to tell you something on like an intraday scale? Like, how do you know you're ranging intraday? Um, the same markup as last night. Not really anything. Nothing good here. Yeah, your place in the market maker model, trending environment, placing away from PD arrays. Okay, I mean these are decent answers. Like I won't say anybody's right or wrong or anything like that, but there's definitely like more mechanical ways of determining if you're in a ranging environment. Okay, like and the just easiest one. Well, like the first one is going to be if you're stuck between PD arrays, right? So let's say you have a PD array that's bearish, and then you have a PD array that's bullish, and price just bounces between them, right? You're not going to get any kind of strong confluence out of that. But also, like we can take a look at this on the 1 minute here because this is how I traded it yesterday, right? Um, okay, so if you guys take a look at this, I'm going to use my bar replay tool, right? Everything like that I'm saying right now can happen fractally. So that's why like it's important to know your place, like where you're at in terms of the market pricing, right? So if you guys remember from yesterday, if you guys tuned into the live stream, I got in like right here. So literally on this wick here, for a long, and I was targeting like way up, but obviously like it didn't make it there, right? Why did it not make it there? Because the market started entering like that end of day range, right? But like recognizing you're in a range is important. So like I mean, like not like I'm not using like bouncing between PDA arrays here, but like just simple highs and lows, right? Viewing the price in terms of highs and lows as opposed to like different PDA arrays and stuff like that, right? If you take a look at this sequence of highs and lows here, so like disregard like any of this on the left, right? So this sequence of highs and lows here, like what do you guys see? What you're gonna see is this significant low gets put in. Where does it get put in? It's the intermediate low right here on these fair value gaps, right? There's one fair value gap here, small one, and then another one right above it, right there, right? Intermediate term low right there gets put in. And then where do we get our high of the range? You're going to get it right here, right? Like, how do we know this is the low and the high of the range? Because if you mark these out, right, low and the high, they're not going to get taken out by any any uh any consecutive like highs and lows, right? You're gonna see like this low gets put in, doesn't take it out. This low gets put in, doesn't take it out. Here, here, and here, right? So your extreme lows on like a ranging environment, this is where I like to pick up my trade. Like, I mean, it's also gonna be like a little bit of a trade breakdown from yesterday, right? But like the first fake out, like of any, I mean, the first breakout of any range like this is almost always gonna be a fake out, right? Um, and we can use like our higher time frame PD arrays again to determine like which direction we want to look for like a setup in terms of. Now, if you take a look at this price swing right here, like really doesn't take liquidity, right? So if we're looking for a grab on liquidity here, I will just mark out use your fib tool right here, guys. Your OTE. Since I was in a long from this position here, the turtle soup. There's normally going to be a OTE that follows a turtle soup. So you're going to take a look at where the OTE is. OTE is below the 50, right? Right below the range low right there, right? What other confluences could we use? This is the 1 minute, right? We go to the 5. What do we have here on the 5? On the 5, like right below that low, what's going to be there? 5 minute BISI, right? And you have a 5 minute SIBI, and they're stacked on top of each other. So what is that? A BPR. Boom. 5 minute confluence in place. Since we're trading on an intraday time scale, like I won't be using like the hourly or shit like that because I just won't be able to execute on it, right? But something like the well, the 15 minute, you can see nice order block here gets put in. So this is going to be liquidity taking order block here, as you can see, right? Strong order block. And then you have your 15 minute BISI here, right? So even more stacked confluences, right? I I actually took this trade. I don't know if it'll show up in my executions today, but that shit doesn't show up at all. I don't know why they do that, but anyways, yeah, it doesn't show up in my executions. But again, first break of the range gonna be um your fake out. So if we guys take a look, I took this trade actually. Like, and we'll notice the time too. It's around the 350 macro, so towards the end of the day. You always want time to align, right? Notice like the sharp manipulation move down, right? So like as soon as it hits this low, like I basically got triggered in right here on a limit order. So just a nice 1 to 2. What was my stop? It's gonna be, I think, a couple ticks below the mean threshold of that, and then I know what I targeted. So I know I targeted for a 1 to 2. So right here, right? Um, yeah, just a tick or so below the okay, I'm gonna go something like this. Yeah, the mean threshold here, and then just targeted for a 1 to 2. You guys can see like we got our entry in right here, triggered in. You're gonna notice like a strong reaction from something like that, right? Boom, nice move up from the bottom. I think I got out at around here because yeah, this is just right when the market closed. But eventually, if I speed it up, it does come to hit our TP of 34,315, and that was just the trade right there. Like, make the trade simple and mechanical for you guys. Understand when you're in a, ranging environment or a trending environment, it's going to save you from a lot of trades, right? When you're in a ranging environment, what do you want to do? You want to take trades at the extremes of the range. So it could be an intraday range right here too, right? Like, boom, and you have your extremes of the range, the extreme low right here, take the trade there, right? You don't want to be trading in this chop, in this nonsense. It's going to cloud your judgment, right? The up and down and stuff like that. Um, yeah, yeah, no, they don't show that, but yeah, that's just something I wanted to talk you guys through in case anybody had questions about that, like about mechanical ways of determining a range. Like that just works every time, right? You have your extreme high, extreme low. If those highs and lows don't get taken, you're in a range, right? So let me turn my replay tool off. Let's get charting, guys. So again, 816, not really anything happening. Take a look at our higher time frame chart. Uh, See, now this looks like a fucking range right here. Um, but I am expecting us to take that previous month's high right there. Uh, just looks like you put in equal highs here. It just looks a little too clean, right? Again, bouncing off that daily order block. So I'm thinking about this as a manipulation and then a continuation up. This down candle that we have to start the day. But like, keep in mind we are in a ranging environment here, so see what goes on. Again, like another dip into discount into this order block, like I wouldn't mind, but I would need it to sweep that previous day's low to even get interested. 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour, we do have this rejection block here. We'll mark that out. Yeah, like something like this. Like this is gonna be excellent confluence for a trade right here. 4 hour rejection block. I don't normally like to trade rejection blocks, um, but we'll see if we can get in on something like this because previous days low stopping right there. Like that's really the only thing I can see in this trend that would lift us up here. Um, we're also gonna see on the 4 hour we have the Sibby here, 4 hour Sibby, and then a 4 hour order block up here. Just mark those out real quick. Yeah, and again, guys, like mechanical systems, like step by step systems for yourself are the best way to do things. Like if you guys don't have a system you guys follow every day, not going to be the best look if you guys are trying to find confluence in your trades. Like I do the same exact thing every day. I just follow my trading model. Except yesterday I got a little stupid. Um, I was like, fuck it, let's trade the PM session. Like, but I was only taking like A plus setup trades, right? So I was taking my A plus turtle soup, and then if I found an A plus OTE, uh, that would definitely give me a confluence. Those are the two exact trades I took yesterday. So great entries on both. We made like around $600 on the day in the PM session. Again, like I don't normally trade the PM session. Not really familiar with the macros, but yeah. Oh, good morning, Michael. Good morning, Cody. Glad I was helpful. He said, "I know you miss me." I'm just doing our little charting. Start the morning off right. Again, if we see this dip down here into this 4 hour rejection block with the previous day's low right above it, I'm pretty interested, right? Like I would like to see something like that hold up. Um, we could potentially get a uh a bounce from here. Now I want to use the so the mean threshold of the daily order block is going to be right here, right? Put like put it like a couple ticks below the mean threshold, maybe. So stop 100 points. Maybe take a 1 to 2. At the same time, like I could go a little wider, right? I could go for something like this. Like to me, like something like this makes sense, but it might just take like the entire day to play. Uh, we'll see though. 4 hours should be above again. Like it depends on where we sweep liquidity, where we manipulate, what time it is, right? Like I'm not interested in trades like based on these like order blocks or SIBIs or anything like that unless time aligns first, right? So with that out of the way, I think this is going to be the 4 hour. Boom, done. Um, Now clearly here, we've developed a little range for ourselves. This is what we like to see early in the morning. Um, so I'm gonna mark again like our range high, right? And then this could be the range low right here. But if you zoom in, what you're gonna see is on the 15 minute, we put in a significant low here, like our intermediate term low, and then we haven't been able to break that. So I'm gonna look at that as my first sign of like range extremes. So we're just gonna mark that out. Nice range low right here coming into play. Um, on the 1 hour, I don't see shit, right? Like I don't. This looks not great. There's a 1 hour Cibi right above the 4 hour one. Uh, I don't really want to mark that out though because price has come into that Cibi already. Like I would look for it to trade higher, maybe into the order block. Also, 1 hour order block. So that's definitely a point of interest right there. Boom. Have our 1 hour done, and then 15 minute. We'll take a look. Not really anything great out of the 15 minutes because we are stuck in the range we put in yesterday. So using the price action from yesterday, not nothing great from there. We will now switch our chart over to you. I don't think I did good charting on this because I was wrong. I'm gonna use some relevant data here. So again, on our daily, we are gonna have volume imbalance here. That would be the one supporting price up. We have come into the we haven't really closed above the weekly SIBI high, right? We haven't really done that. What range am I using? This dealing range is not correct. This right here, higher time frame dealing range right here. Um, Again, a bunch of fair value gaps left open here at the bottom. So you're gonna see like on the 4 hour, right? Like we still have this busy left open. This one got tapped once, tapped twice, but like liquidity sweep below into the daily busy could definitely get us somewhere in discount, right? Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of news today. Yeah, let me check for the engagement real quick. Filter myself out of the market if I can. Oh, 8:30. Okay, we got to do our charting in 8 minutes, guys. Because if we get the manipulation at 8:30, you know your boy wants to be in that. So 4 hour, I don't see shit. Oh wait, actually, hold on. I mean, not like you know what I'm saying. Go ahead and say that, but okay, 4 hour. We put in order block here. Boom. 1 hour. Then a bunch of sibbies here, but this is gonna be again a low resistance liquidity run up if we fill into those sibbies, right? I'm not really interested in taking trades from those, but we'll see if those are like road bumps and stuff like that for price. So 1 hour sibby, right where price is at right now. What is that? Is that our volume imbalance? Oh yeah, it is. I'm not gonna keep that on the chart. You guys take a look though. We are below. We're definitely below our 7:30 true open here. I just have to go to the minutes, or are we not? No, we're actually we're just right. We're just hovering around there. 7:30 true open. The concept I use a lot. Judas swings for me can't be real Judas swings unless they go above or below the true open in the AM, which is 7:30, or the PM true open, which is 1:30. And then if I want to catch the weekly expansion, it's gonna be the true open here, which is gonna be Tuesday at midnight Eastern Standard Time, of course, right? So right here we have a little BPR action going on. Okay, now this is interesting, right? Sweep of the equal lows here, and then price hovering around here. Now this is obviously like an accumulation on a lower time frame, right? You're just gonna have to take a look at this, right? Like definitely ranging right here. Um, so I would say like extreme range high there, extreme range low, just really quick mechanical range here. On the 1 minute, you can take a look at this getting respected here, right? So we're gonna look to take a trade at the extremes if we can. Now let's see if I can find anything though. There's still like a lot of this like busy BPR to be filled, kind of, but I don't really I don't really like price being here. Like I would rather see it like there's not for me there's not a high confluence setup here. Um yeah, so I'm not gonna go for anything like this right now. Yeah, probably see it manipulate up into here, takes previous day's low sell side into the daily busy, probably something like that. Because we do have our range getting put in here. So right here, I'm gonna add an alert. If we get manipulation at 8:30 and if it moves up, I want to know about it. But I don't want to set an alert for the downside because I don't really see nothing to the downside, right? Um, so there we go. That's our charting done. 4 minutes, right in time for that open news manipulation. My live stream video from yesterday is getting uploaded. It'll be uh, done for you guys at the end of the day if you guys want to review or anything like that. This the stream I have right now is recording. You guys have any questions, or you guys take any trades yet? You guys set up? About just chilling today? Classic sell day. Yeah, I like that, Cody. Yeah, yeah, I like that. I definitely do. I would have to use. Well, I mean, here we are in a higher time frame premium. I'm gonna use the expansion leg, premium and discount. So that's gonna be again right here. Oh, this is perfect actually. I think, right? Yeah. If I just move this over, expansion leg premium and discount, we're gonna see like we're hovering right at equilibrium here. Um, but we have a we have these fair value gaps like, just right above. The only thing I don't really like about this is that these are just fair value gaps, right? Like so again, we can get like a like fair value gap here, fair value gap here, like that creates like like voids in liquidity, right? That can be like captured really quickly and just ran through. So like I would probably like to see more of a retracement up into the order block, um, because that would put us in the what is it? The premium of the downswing. So like something like this, like intraday profile right here. So like again, 4 hour order block up here. I would much rather see something like that as the OTE to continue this move. If we take a look from the top here, analyze it from the top, right here, what are you going to see? Classic liquidity sweep, turtle soup, right here happening. Secondary entry coming in at this fair value gap, and then third entry is always going to be an OTE. So definitely, we'll look for something like that. If price starts expanding up, again, I want to know about it. But yeah, I'm gonna look for some kind of retracement of the London price action. Continue moving here. How do I anticipate turtle soups? Um, well, like you have to build like a narrative to like soup, right? This is why like turtle souping is like the hardest like trading model is because like it requires the most amount of narrative like to get put in, right? Like I don't look at price in the same way like a market maker or like a market like MMXM trader looks at price. Even though like I have traded market maker models before, so I have done that like way of thinking, right? It's just when you look for turtle soup trades, you have to think about like who's stopping out where and where liquidity is, right? So I'll give you an example from YM yesterday since like we're really just not fucking doing anything right here, right? So if we take a look at something like this, I have my higher time frame dealing range marked out, right? This is going to be your discount, this is going to be your premium, right? You take a look at something like this, and then you take a look at the daily, right? So think about just where we're at on the daily. We've had one, two, three, four, five, 6 days in a row that are just green, right? These are just printing bullish. Now give like keeping in mind that like the last, I mean the first like, couple days of the rally weren't like the hugest, right? But like at the end, you can see these candles are like hundreds of ticks, hundreds of points right here, right? So looking at something like this, like you expect a pullback or at least a retrace up. I'm not even gonna look at NQ right now. I could give a shit, right? Um, you expect some kind of retracement into that. So then you want to dig into your like 1 hour or something like that, right? Again, we have our higher time frame PD arrays marked out. So I marked out. You see this gray box here? That's going to be your daily order block, right? If you take a look at something like this on the higher time frame dealing range, what do you have? A bunch of equal lows right here. All of these lows right here. Like like just accumulated. You have two equal lows right here, right? And then you have to think about the time, right? Time comes from like time is what I use to anticipate turtle soups most. It doesn't matter what PD array it is; it has to be confluing with time first, right? But you have your equal lows here, equal lows here. All of this liquidity that's resting, right, getting ready to be taken out. People have their stops here because we've been in such a strong bullish trend. Think about the retail trader's mind, right? It's gonna be stops here, like because they're like, oh, this would invalidate my trade setup, right? Um, and then you take a look again, like 15-minute, these lows become even clearer, right? Lows here, all of this stuff getting coming in, like, and then you match it with again like a higher time frame premium, like you match it with liquidity, you match it with time, right? If we take a look at what happens yesterday, there is a okay, so the true open of yesterday, PM right here is right here, right? 130. I can only be bullish below the true open, right? And if I'm in a discount. So boom right there. What do we do? Manipulate for 2 o'clock, right? So what you're gonna see right here is again we put in that range right here, range high and range low. So right here, accumulation, manipulation, and then we distribute up. But time again doesn't align for us at the end of the day because it's the end of the day, right? So I get my entry in here at the bottom at this daily order block, right? Expecting a reversal rally. I get it in at around a little after like maybe I want to say like 210 right here. Time distortion until 2:30, and then boom, we get our push up. I was unfortunately not able to secure full profit on this position because again we started ranging, but I did get the OTE buy to close up shop for the end of the day, like right here, which was also like a soup, right? It was also like a ranging soup, so I also caught that. Like the two trades I took, boom, both of them caught. But you have to look at price in terms of highs and lows. It's not about like where you anticipate your SMR or something like that. It's like where are people getting stopped out? That's what you have to be thinking about. Yeah, so just that, like anticipating like OTEs, like again, like equal lows make it easy to predict OTEs, right? Like equal lows make it like that pretty easy. But again, like I've back tested, well, I mean not back tested, but like live, tape read like turtle soups, like a ton. Like I've been studying them for like months now. And it's just become my model, like on top of like, turtle soup continuations because uh well, for me, it's more mechanical than a market maker model, right? Because again, like I wanted to be like as objective as possible in my analysis. So like in a market maker model, like you could like realistically identify like a bunch of phases of the market maker model as like this and that. But um like to me, I wouldn't know the difference, right? Okay, so right here, guys, on the 15-minute NQ, looks like it did come up out of that range. Did I just miss a trade? Nah, it doesn't look good anyways, guys. It's that hourly Sibby we were talking about, and then like from the news again. It takes the low and the high of the range though, so again, range taken out here. Um NQ looks really slow today. I mean, like I would only really want to see it come into that an hourly 4 hour order block, something like that, for me to even think about, you know what I'm saying, getting into a trade from that because the civvies I just don't really like taking like a retracement trade like because right here like you're clearly in a premium, I mean a discount, right? So like I would only be looking for a buy here until we reach some kind of like relative premium that I can agree with. Higher time frame, yes, we are in premium, but I mean we'll see where it takes us, right? Standard deviations, like I have done it in the past, but um like I don't really do it as part of my trading plan now. Yeah, I don't really do that. I've done it in the past though. They definitely work because standard deviations, right? Like almost like every if you're properly using them, like you can expect like reversals at like specific places. So like you could align that with like liquid highs and lows. You align that with a higher time frame PD array. That's gonna give you basically like a way to predict even like exactly the point of where a reversal will happen. I'm not doing it because I'm lazy. But that's my excuse for that. I'm not doing it because I mean like I'm able to read the chart just fine. Like I don't like my chart to be like super cluttered, right? So like this is just about enough for me. Like I don't really need lines here and there, standard deviation, stuff like that. No, I have my model. Like I'm gonna trade my model. Like most of the time, I try to get like everything off my chart if I can. Um, so what that's gonna look like for me is literally just I have my higher time frame PD array, have my times marked out, and then just entry and exit. So like I use the long and short positions or limit orders. That's it, right? Don't be too complicated. Don't make everything too crazy. Yeah, but we're trying to have a chill morning here. Realistically, the best setups, like I don't really see them today. Like I'm not gonna lie to you. Now we are getting that sell off from that hourly Sibby. Would I have taken that trade? Like probably fucking not. Um, on NQ, we'll take a look at the other indices. Yeah, YM pushing down now. NQ pushing down. Yeah, I'm not gonna take any of those trades until we get into a higher time frame PD array. Again, like rules of engagement, like could definitely save you. What I could do here is fractalize my trades down into a smaller time frame. Like as you guys could see yesterday, like I did do well trading like the 15 minute um what is it, the 15 minute PD array and then like a 1 minute execution, stuff like that. Like I could definitely fractalize and scalp and read order flow that way, but like again, like you take like so many of those trades a day, like what you're gonna find is like your mental capital is getting essentially fucked the entire time. Like because like when you're scalping, it's gonna be like you're looking for one to ones here and like you don't have as much time to plan your trade, right? So I could definitely do it, like no problem. But according to this trading plan that I have right here, I'm not gonna do it. Right? Trading plan in the Notion, like would rather not scalp it because I mean I could have taken that that short honestly. Like it wasn't like the worst thing in the world if you think about it in terms of like again like we have a range right here. I told you guys just before like first breakout of a range is almost always false, right? Um Equal highs basically up here and then into a higher time frame PD array manipulates up, right? Below us we don't have any PD array, so I definitely could have taken that and that would have already net me like 40 points. But I'd rather just stick to the plan. Like no point in looking for these small moves when I can catch something big. No, I know Londo's in here. Londo probably took that shit. Londo, did you short? Next thing you know, he's gonna come up with a screenshot or something. Londo's always in these trades. Yeah, but I mean, I know we have a couple forex traders in here too. I think. Yeah, I know it, bro. I knew you souped NQ. You souped that Sibby, right? That boy going stupid. Yeah, the 1 hour Sibby. Yeah, I have it marked out on my thing too. Yeah, right there. Boom. Easy soup right there. I mean, that's just really how you can anticipate something like that, guys. Like even like that, like what I just told you, like with like the ranging stuff, like that's a model right there. If you think about it, right? Like just align it with time, right? When does that manipulation happen? 8:30. Like it just happens to be the time of the news embargo lift, right? It just happens to be at that time, right? And then what do we have? Intraday, like micro range right here. Intraday range. Have your range high get put in, right? Your range low where there's no PD array below the support price. Soup into the hourly Sibby. Boom. You have your move down. That right there is also like AMD, right? I'm just not gonna trade that. It doesn't sit well with my plan. But like that's a scalp you could have taken for like let's say you put you know like a mini on it instead of like I'm trading micros here, right? Because I can't afford to risk a mini right now. But like if I was, oh, wait, actually I could probably afford to risk this on a mini. Yeah, like with like even like a 10 point stop. That's not even That's not even 125 bucks, right? So like if I just target the this low right here that gets put in, this is gonna be a nice easy 1 to 4, um 40 points, like relatively quick bag right here, trading like 100 less than 125 bucks on a mini for like I want to say like $400 or $500. Yeah, around like 400 bucks back. Like that could have been a trade you guys could have taken, but yeah, like the ranging thing I just told you guys about, that's a model too. So you guys can, you know what I'm saying, mix and match. Uh, NQ soup again. Like you want to just use the PD array there. So like notice there's not really a higher time frame PD array supporting price um through that there. So again, my stop would just be like it would be tight, right? I would again like put that 10 point stop there around that, just above the Sibi, right? I mean, I could do like something like this, so like 25 point stop right above these order block right here, and then I would have to probably double my. Yeah, I mean, this would be like it doesn't look like the worst for like a 1 to 2 right here, right? Like at the end of the day, like 50 points, like you're still gonna take home a good amount of bread here. Right now, it's at 36. So like guys, yeah, again, if we were to take this trade, right? Like this trade is gonna go here. Um, but yeah, if we were to take a trade like this is what it would look like. I might even I might even hop into a continuation here just from here, but I'd rather wait for a quality setup, right? Like again, like don't tempt yourself with some of these trades. Like I could scalp it, no problem, but like at the end of the day, risk to reward is not going to be worth it on an entry from here. You're already selling low, but yeah, just right here, easy mechanical trade right here. And it's probably going to hit TP, 50 point TP right there. I think we have some new guys in the chat today. So I think Mohammed and Pip Collector, you guys are new here. Do you guys trade uh like indices, or you guys trade forex? What do you guys trade? Oh, forex and oil. Okay, yeah, yeah. I mean, if you've been trading like Euro USD lately, that's been super clean, man. Yeah, I've traded like oil and gold before, but it's a little too volatile for this account size. Just gonna patiently wait for our trades here. DXY is just selling off. We're still stuck in range for basically all the indices here. So again, like pretty should be like low volume until like the open. Hopefully, like Thursday tends to be a really good day. I know we have a lot of news today, right? Should be a good bunch of news today. I think help drive volatility into the market. Yeah, what do we have? Um, after this 8:30. Oh wait, no, we everything just came out at 8:30. Okay, that wasn't the biggest push. Then like retail sales, unemployment, stuff like that. Tomorrow we have that 10 a.m. QOM consumer sentiment. But yeah, other than that, I think it should be smooth sailing. Like as we come into the open, we should probably get the volatility injection we're looking for to take our higher time frame trades. Euro USD, yeah, that's you said you trade forex, right? Yeah, yeah, that's what that is. Euro USD. That's been just super clean lately. I've seen the chart for it. People have been posting it. Like I'm not gonna lie. Like if I wasn't like a degenerate indices trader, um, like I would probably just switch over because realistically, like market maker models are playing out perfectly from that. I don't even have to use a soup model for that. Just market maker models like all day on like all time frames, right? It's looking great on there. But other than Londo, did you guys take any trades yet? Oh, good morning, Fox. Good morning, Moneyball. You guys joined. Appreciate you guys stepping in. Now, again, we do have that rate of liquidity down at the lows. This could be like a two-sided manipulation, right? Manipulating below the true 730 open to push price up here. Yeah, no trades. Wait, did you trade? Were you in our PM live stream yesterday, Fox? I don't remember. I'm sorry. I did stream in the PM. Did you trade like after FOMC? Oh yeah, you longed NQ. Okay, yeah, I think that was a good trade. You longed it from like the SMT, right? Yeah, yeah. No, that makes sense. So right here, if we like fractalize this, it's gonna look like on the 5 minute at least, it looks like accumulation, uh, double sided manipulation. So you manipulate up into the hourly SIBI, raid liquidity below, um, and then we get a bounce here. If this is like just range expansion, not really interested in this again. Like so, that's gonna look like if the range expands, it's basically gonna look like this. Like so, like an S&D profile basically, so you can destroy, right? Not really too interested in that, but yeah, it looks like price is just booming after that. I can't really find a great, you know what I'm saying? Like uh what is this right here? Like higher time frame PD rate to support price. So like again, like price can do its thing, but I just can't look. Yeah, I like that, Cody. I like that. What you've got right there. Yeah, price coming into a premium, of course. Yeah, because I'm saying like definitely like New York, like is based on ICT concepts, right? It's supposed to be a retracement of the uh of the range, right? That London created. So you can definitely like expect to see something like that there. Okay, yeah, Fox. That was a great long on NQ from yesterday. I took the YM long. That was way slower than the NQ long, but holy shit, NQ long definitely green. Yeah, not seeing too much out of price here now. I think what we do get is yeah, this is gonna be SMT. Like uh, in terms of the 15 minute, right? You have the rate of the lows from ES and NQ failure to raid from YM, right? So price is gonna move up here. I don't really like necessarily like that. Oh wait, this is actually not a bad long here from this 15-minute order block, right? But yeah, I don't really agree with that right there. Just in terms of like using that for the higher time frame. Like again, you'd have to fractalize yourself lower. Oh, I appreciate it. I appreciate it, Fox. I mean, like if you were using my analysis, like I hope it helped in determining your bias. But like again, like you'll see, like I really only have like one bias most of the time. Like if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But dude, we haven't been wrong for 6 trades out of the 4 trading days we've done. So I'm trying to, you know what I'm saying, lock in. Like today is actually going to be a scaling day for me. Because again, like if you guys checked my Notion, we are above the $1,000 equity mark. So like I've in 4 trading days, I've made like $1,300, 1330 around there. So like I said, like after $1,000 in the trading plan, like that, like I've gained in equity. I'm gonna scale to $250 of risk per trade. So what that's gonna look like is like probably some more micro contracts, and then if it's 250 a trade, I'm taking a 1 to 2. Hopefully, we can get that nice $500 on every trade right there. That's gonna definitely scale us quickly if we keep taking winning trades. Just scale us into our 4K profit target really quick. So like again, like the concept behind like that trading plan is just building a buffer of drawdown. So like right now, my drawdown, I have like $2,500 that I can afford to lose right before like I'm liquidated, and just like building that $1,000 buffer right there is gonna um make trading like a lot less stressful. Because let's say I risk like 250 with the initial like $1,250 drawdown, right? I can only trade 5 times, and if I lose all 5 of those, like I'm fucking done, right? But if I risk 125 per trade, right? Guess what? Um, I can afford to lose 10 times before I even do it in the like before get liquidated in the first place. I mean, it's cool that I didn't lose a single one yet, but that's just a mechanical way of making your trade plan. Okay, now we're gonna see this AMD cycle play out. Um, Pretty nice from the bottom right here. Again, not really a trade I could have taken because I don't have a higher time frame PD array that supports my price action there. At least not on NQ. I don't really have one on YM here. Just gonna let that one go. Now, if that was, I mean, an SMT soup, what I can look to do is buy into the continuation, and then I'll sell it at the what do you call it? Higher time frame PD array. So I'm actually going to look to do that on NQ. So I'm going to back out into my 3 chart system here. Look to do that on NQ. So again, like very quickly, guys, we are violating this hourly SIBI. Again, I told you it probably wouldn't hold up if that was the case, but again, true breakouts. I want to let you guys know, like true real breakouts, like something like this. Like this is why you have to turtle soup a real breakout, because it's not gonna let you get in, right? Unless you fractalize into a smaller time frame. So like right here, um, I can scalp this. Risk to reward's not worth it though. Uh, just gonna wait for the higher time frame setup right here. The fact that we're pushing up like this at around like 9 o'clock, right, means like we should be on track to hit our 4 hour order block relatively soon. NQ clearly the strongest pair out of the three, just absolutely mooning over the highs, right? So NQ clearly being the strongest pair, it's definitely gonna reach um like any of our PD arrays, like higher time frame PD arrays first. Gonna have to be looking for those to take trades from. So yeah, like hourly Sibi gonna come in here. I will mark this expansion leg out real quick. Premium and discount. Boom. We just hit equilibrium. Actually, a little bit of a pullback from that. There is an order block there. See what's going on. New in chat this morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Thank you guys for joining me today. Really appreciate it. Oh, Joker, you took that. You took that. The short soup. That was really good, bro. I knew Londo took it. Oh no. He went short. He went short off the hourly Sibi. That was a good long though. Wait, why did you long there though, Joker? I just want to know because I didn't see yeah, the first dump, the dump he took from the hourly Sibi. I actually like called that ahead of time in the chat, but yeah, no, I see it's pumping, but why did you long from there? Like that's just what I want to know. Like, why is that? You know, the place
I'll
for you?
tell you. I'll tell you. I
Yeah, tell
just
me. You
I
yeah,
got
educate me,
I
please.
got to write a little bit. Okay, so do you want me to explain of your chart?
Now, don't explain off my chart. Explain just what you did, because I didn't
What
see
I
any
did?
higher time frame PDA right there.
Okay. Um, the 15 minute, right?
The 15
We
minute.
have we have a BC
Okay.
right to the left,
Yeah.
like the big yesterday low from FOMC and all of that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so we took a low, right? So it high resistant liquidity already, and
Yeah.
it's also super order block, true order block, whatever you want to call it.
Oh,
Um,
this is not. Oh, wait. This is a super order
if
block.
you
Yeah, but you're
yeah,
using.
if
There's
you
no way I'm
measure
using this whole thing as the order block.
no, so that's it. Yeah, you need to narrow it. So what I did was first of all take the 15-minute BC.
Yeah.
If you take a fib, you see that we consolidated just above the.
You said the what? You just cut out for a second. Yep, we lost him, fellas.
Can you hear me now?
Oh yeah, I got you. Loud and clear.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Someone called me and it
Okay, no,
fucked
you're
with
good.
the
You're good.
Discord.
You're good. You're good.
So the 15-minute BC, yeah, we got the equilibrium of it.
Right. Oh yeah,
Just below
consolidating
the
right above the
consolidation.
EQ.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And also, I longed from the 5-minute BC inside all of this 15-minute BC. So I narrowed it even
You
more.
longed from
Just
this right here.
let me see. Let me watch your screen. From yeah, it's a bit bigger on the CFDs. So yeah, I longed from that.
What the? Yeah, you guys
Yeah.
don't do this, okay? Like whatever he just did, like do not do that. What the fuck are you doing? Like, what is that? No way. No way. Yeah, don't. Yeah, no, we're not gonna talk. I don't even know why I asked you like that shit in the first place. Don't do that. Not do that, guys. No way.
Was it a wrong financial advice? Was it not good?
Oh my god, he
It's
said I
not good
saw on
enough.
NQ there's a mini BPR. Don't do that. That's terrible fucking that's terrible right there. That is so bad. It's pumping, but like holy shit.
Uh,
Yeah, the entire
I
time I
mean,
would be having a stroke in that trade. I'm not gonna lie.
just
What?
liquidity, brother. Just liquidity.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. Yeah, no, never in my life I'm longing from there, guys. Do not do that. Do not good.
Why not? Look how beautifully it went up.
Do not do
I mean, I closed it already. I closed it around the screenshot that I took. I closed it there.
Okay, I mean that was good points right there. Did you trade it on your funded?
Yeah, on the challenge.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Joker's doing
it
a
was
challenge
like
too, guys.
50 points.
No, Joker
Yeah,
does
now
make the
everyone.
market. He just tilts sometimes and then like fucks with himself. But no, Joker like knows the trades better than anybody. Like he's the only like dude other than Wolfgott that's spotting that little ass 5 minute right there. Yeah, never don't take that, guys. Do not do that.
No, it's because I have Powell in my contacts, so I
mm,
just call him
mm.
and he tells me what to do, you know. That's why I didn't long with you guys yesterday at FOMC, I just wanted to give some liquidity to the rest of us, just to be nice. Okay, come back to the 5-minute bullish order block. Are you referring to NQ? How is, yes. Oh, it's the same. Yeah, I think we do
NQ
come back.
stronger. NQ stronger.
Yeah, NQ much stronger. I think we do come back to the bullish order blocks, have another raid up, and maybe then sell down if this is the classic sell
I,
day.
I'm looking for 4 hour order block to get absolutely punched here
And
on
NQ,
NQ. Yeah,
yeah.
that looks
Oh, yeah,
right,
we do
doesn't it?
confirm
Like that looks
24.
correct.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure that play is correct. So I'm gonna. You know what I'm saying.
get up to midnight open. What is midnight open? It's a bit below. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I mean, on NQ, I'm much more bullish than on ES because of the SMT, but like the SMT at the highs.
Mm.
Like yesterday, we have SMT at the highs with ES. So we need to see how things will play out.
Yeah, we'll see what's
I
going
mean,
on.
weekly profile, we should just melt down today. But
No,
I
it
don't know.
looks like
It's
it because I mean
it's
we've been needing to
continuing, so I
melt
don't know.
anyways. What are the odds we come back to 5 minute bullish order block? I don't know. You think we're coming back down here?
Yeah,
what
replacement, man. Okay,
what is going on?
I would just buy it again if it goes down.
Yeah, no, we can definitely we might be able to get to midnight open. I just want to see. I mean, we have a 4 hour order block like right there though. I think that holds
Can you
price.
show the 4-hour order block?
Yeah. right here, boss.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I mean,
That's right above. That's
I
right
mean,
below midnight. I think like that stops it. But I mean, other than that, like shoot, if we come,
it looks
if we
like we
come
have
for
changing
something,
state of delivery. Not gonna lie.
something like that.
Yeah. 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 That's a dump. Classic sell day. New York retracement.
Yeah, New York retracement for sure. The only thing I don't really
That's
like is
also
there's
why I
not
played
too
it
much like.
slow.
Wait, what happened, Joker?
No, no, all good.
I don't really see uh any kind of like good liquidity, like solid like liquid highs to take. If this is the equal high taking though, like shit, we can still see this 15-minute Sibi, and I think it's an hourly hourly Sibi. This could hit right here, fellas. We might not even get to that order block because technically price is going to be balanced from here, right? Like technically you have something coming down like this, boom, 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 right? OTE, like to me that makes sense. Okay,
Oh, that's the hourly.
looking for sells in the 15-minute Sibi stacked with the hourly Sibi. That's what I'm gonna go for. Got our limits, fellas. Um, oh, I'm gonna have to take on hella risk for this one because I have the orderly hour
No,
block.
so wait a bit. Wait a bit for time to and don't set your
Well, no, but
limits
it's nine
now.
o'clock. It's gonna line the fuck up right here, Joker. Like I need to set that limit now.
I mean, but you'll get the entry around 9:20, right? 9:20 to 9:30 or 9:40, depends on where it goes. So it might go down now, like at 9:20 go down, 9:30 go up to all these other blocks and all this stuff, and then at 10, 10:30 until 10, like, or 10:30 to make the high of AM and then just go down.
No, I kind of, I kind of seen something like stuff like this though, like happening at 9:30. Like, it just seems like right here, 15-minute immediate rebalance. Like, we could get this going right here. So, I'm gonna set my limit in that Sibi right there. Take our 1 to 2. My stop is gonna be Wait, actually, I need to tighten this. Stop is gonna
155, I
be a
would say.
couple ticks over the mean threshold. So like something like this, and then this should give us nice 1 to 2 RR here. Set my limit. How much can I risk? Perfect. 252. 3 contracts of micros. Set that up. Yeah, this is how like I look to trade normally. Yesterday, definitely a scalping
Yeah,
day. Wait, what happened, Joker?
I forgot about it. We have medium impact news in 10 minutes, I think. Let me make sure.
Yeah, 9:15.
Yeah. Yeah, so we might get the manipulation of,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like Londo,
And
I know Londo's be looking at these, small time frames here. He likes that 15-minute Sibi. This 15-minute Sibi makes sense to me.
even the propulsion block or order block, whatever you will call it, inside, like the 155 price level,
hmm Yeah, New
looks
York retracement we're looking for, guys. I'm about to get put into my entry here.
oh, we're pumping.
Yeah,
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful.
in my entry here, guys. Um, Again, it's not 9:30 yet, but shit.
That was my
Oh,
canvas.
strong reaction from that Sibi right there, from the hourly Sibi, 15 minute. Oh, we'll see if
Are you
that
in?
reaction can actually hold up though. Again, guys, stand to make $500 from this trade here if it plays out. Got to be comfortable in drawdown though, probably on this initial entry here. Now, something I could do if this actually works out is I could scale it like really hard, right? Like if I double my contract size, we definitely stand to make a lot. Again, manipulating over our 730 open here. Take a look at this from the 1 minute. Yeah, from the 1 minute, again, price rejecting from that. Okay, clear fractal AMD here. So clear accumulation here, manipulation up, distribution hopefully coming in soon.
Depends which time frame you look at.
Well, yeah, I mean, I know I'm looking at the one from here.
Yeah. Oh, the 1 minute till now.
Yeah, the one looks like a nice AMD.
Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, yeah, that's beautiful. I mean, yeah,
Yeah, I mean,
looks
it
good.
could still continue pushing up, but this is to me looks like a perfect manipulation. So like it can still manipulate higher, no problem. But yeah, I'm expecting that. I might just take $40 and go, guys. Like I could definitely see myself doing that.
Well, you
Hourly
said it
Cibi,
yesterday and then
15-minute Cibi,
1,000.
nice entry there. Oh, you're long,
Yeah, good
Londo.
morning, Cody.
15-minute immediate rebalance. But yeah, I know. I see it. I see it. I see what you're looking at.
Oh, London took it.
Londo went
Did he
long. He
take it
said,
in NQ?
no, he
Yeah, I
said he went long
see.
on NQ right here. I mean,
Yeah,
we'll see
no,
who
it's
wins out on
beautiful.
this one. I'm short. Londo's long. We'll see what happens, guys. A little bit of friendly competition between the IC traders here. It definitely looks like I'm winning though. Londo, sell your bag, bro. Dude,
Let's do a poll. Put money.
I don't even mind taking profit here. Like $70 to start the day in like 2 minutes. Shit, I cannot complain. Okay, looks like price is coming into this right here.
5 minute visit to the 50 minute
1 minute,
CB.
1 minute busy holding up strong right here.
No, Lando, you're a demon, man.
Londo is a demon. Above 830 as well, yeah.
Uh, it's
15
a
minute
beautiful
VI
trade.
at the top. I don't use VIs for entries though. Let me take a look at the 15-minute here. You said 15-minute VI here at the top. Where the fuck?
Isn't it? Is it the opening gap? This VI?
I don't know where he's looking
Yeah,
at.
the opening gap. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The new daily opening gap on. Yeah,
The new day opening gap.
I think he means to that. No. Yeah. So like at 5 p.m., 5 to 6 p.m. This gap
Am
in
am I
time.
slow? Oh, right here?
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, no, no. I'm not looking at that. What? No, no, no. You want to look at the things that are like most relevant to price, like given your dealing range, right? Like if we come all the way up there, I'm not going to take a trade regardless.
The market is broken if it goes up there.
Yeah, yeah. The market's not working if it goes up there.
I
That
mean,
shit.
yeah, and you change state of delivery. I think looks like it. So
And we'll see what's going on. Looks like I mean, reprice into the order block, expand here. Again, I don't mind sitting in drawdown. Maybe I should have taken that $70 though. $70 scalp, bro. Okay, I can't keep thinking with like the scalping mind though, because I'm just gonna revert into like an ape again.
the age gap.
Yeah, no,
London had the
I'm
point.
not looking for those. Like I don't trade with volume imbalances that much. I mean, like I use them on like the 1 minute and stuff to follow flow, but like that's about it really from me.
Yeah, I mean, we're pretty close to the RTH gap, right? 207 is the gap. 20, yeah, 207, and we're currently at 130. Not too far. But it also takes London high. A nice market maker buy model there. What do you think, Londo? It will go up to the RTH gap on NQ? I don't know them too well. I don't use it this much.
The worst part is Londo is doing his trading from his fucking phone.
I'm the same, man.
Yeah, yeah, y'all got it for real. I mean, like I
I
could
got, I
do it
got
like too, like if I had just my chart pulled up, but like I'm not breaking down these time frames on my phone. Y'all are bugging.
it.
What?
We're doing top down on a 5
Yeah, yeah,
inch.
that's exactly what you're doing. Fuck that. This is definitely a trade I can scale if we get displacement down.
We got news in 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes.
You said Romeo 2.0.
Was that?
No, we love Romeo here, but maybe not the things he says, but like his educational content. No endorsements here.
Yeah.
No financial advice. No, no, the higher time frame PD arrays are a little sloppy. I mean, again, I like that 4 hour order block on what is it?
How they are like
NGU.
these standard deviations.
Again, guys, getting a chance to take $70 out on the day doesn't seem so bad from this perspective. But you know what? If we can get a little more on top, shoot, I would not mind that. $100 up now, just about. Hondo fucked up crossing me, bro. Oh yeah, no, 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 no. I'm in a short right now, Pip Collector. If you didn't see, this is a short position right here. So like you take a
That's
look at
really
this,
giving
right? Like
financial advice.
no, wait, no, no, no. We're not. No financial advice, right? But like I'm just saying, like from my perspective personally, like I am shorting. This is on a evaluation account, so like not like live funds right here, but I mean technically live funds, but yeah, evaluation account right here. Oh, this is gonna melt, dude. Okay, is there anything that can go against my analysis here? Okay, low key, we could take that liquid low and bounce from here. OTE bounce. Wait, Joker, is this an OTE right here? This is right, like um
Why
unicorn
is that?
plus 5 minute Bissy. This should be a
Yeah.
15-minute Bissy too. No, it's not. It's
Yeah.
not yet. No, it's balanced on the 15 though. You think this is OTE bounce right here on the from the 5?
What is the time?
I mean, it's about to be
It can
9:30
be.
from there.
Yeah, it can be a bounce from there to another raid and then maybe dump.
I mean, shit, I'm $100 up. I'm sitting pretty, guys. We're eating good here. Fast $100,
Mm.
3 micro contracts, right? We're looking green. Stop, Cody. Do not do that. Oh my god. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
what did he do?
Somebody was just said luck signals are always the best. This is crazy.
He's wide, man.
I mean, like I don't like trading against Londo too much because Londo. I never really seen Londo lose, but maybe you know what I'm saying. Like okay. Like as I say that,
No,
that shit starts
Lando
pumping.
doesn't lose.
Londo doesn't lose.
Lando. No, he can't. It's the algo.
You're doing me crazy. Is what it is. Saying my signals are the best, bro. This is not financial advice. Okay, now what we see here, guys, is like again like failure to close below this order block here. We need to close down in order for me to stay in this position. Um, it could pump from here on from this order block as like a propulsion. Yeah, no, we swing higher. I'm gonna take a nice and easy $50 from right here. I don't like seeing price come back up like that. So first trade of the day, like I invalidated like myself out of the trade just from the 1 minute. Um, price coming back up, propulsion block on the 5.
This is the
Definitely.
news right now.
I mean, yeah. Wait, this is the news right now,
Yeah.
and just like that, we probably lost a good position.
This is a bitch ass news. What the fuck is that?
This is some weak news right here. But no, no, no. This is correct. That was correct. That was correct. I told myself I wouldn't be scalping, but like $50 like sounds a little too good. You know what I'm saying, guys?
Awesome, man. $50 is it's a dinner.
$50. Yeah, $50 is dinner. No, so this right here,
Yeah.
again, we're looking for 5-minute propulsion block here. Definitely can dig deeper into a premium. So again, maybe we see another dig into my 15-minute Sibi here. Realistically, want it to get to this 4-hour order block for engagement. Uh, but we do have this hourly Sibi here stopping price again. Hourly Sibi. I mean, it could if it expands down from here. I don't even know why I exited that position. I just wanted $50. Green is green, guys. We can't say we took an L right there. Cannot do that. Green is green.
It's green.
Yeah, no, no. I'm gonna wait for the 9:30 manipulation. That is why I didn't what is it? Stay in the trade. 9:30 manipulation happens. We're good to. Oh shit. Yes, just pumping. YM pumping, guys. To the moon. Yes, coming into this 15-minute Sibi here. YM just stuck in a range. NQ right here, starting to show weakness. You know what? I'm gonna reshort this right here, guys. Yeah. After like what is it? And ES came into that 15-minute Sibi right there, just in a deep premium. Reshort it. Rate of the highs right here before the open. I like my original position, and I mean they gave me like the same price I got in at, so you know what? I cannot complain. Not complain about that.
Did you shot it again now?
Yeah, I shorted again. I know, like I'm a demon. I'm a degenerate. Don't say nothing. Okay, for some reason, it's not letting me set my stop.
Nah, that's not good, man.
That is not good.
Gotta
No,
have stop.
you're right. It's
Gotta
it's
have stop.
terrible. Being patient here, guys. Being comfortable with drawdown. 150, 725. Set our limit here. Oh,
You get called the gambler. It's all right, man.
the worst part is I'll definitely lose my $50 like right now.
No, don't do that. Don't do
No,
that.
I'm already in the trade, Joker. It's over, bro.
It's over. Okay, we in. I believe in you, man.
I appreciate it.
I will support you.
I hate when you say that because you just make it seem
No, no,
like I'm being a degenerate.
but I didn't finish. I didn't finish the sentence this time. I just told you that I support you.
All right, bro. All right,
Yeah,
we'll
we
get up.
could, we could.
Joker's the type of, you know what I'm saying, like backhanded. Like he's dissing you on the low, like is what it is. This is not a good guy right here.
Nah, why you say that? No, no, it's all from love, man. When in doubt, get the fuck out.
Oh yeah, that $50 I just made. I'm so glad I made it because I'm about to lose it right now. Cushioning, guys. Give yourself a little bit of, a little bit of cushion right there.
Coming to that 15-minute order block. That,
15-minute order
yeah,
block. Oh, right from right
yeah,
here. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
yeah,
I can
it's
definitely see
same with
that.
the hourly
Hourly
also.
order
So
block, 4-hour order block. Yeah,
yeah,
expecting the rejection to happen from there. OTE retracement of London
I
move.
like that order block, the 4 hour.
Yeah, the 4-hour order block's looking green, right? I have my stop right above the mean threshold, so we're chilling. We're chilling.
Previous year high again.
What happened?
Where did you put your stop?
Right right above the mean threshold of that 4-hour block, 4-hour order block.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so right
Okay.
above that, right there. Good stop.
I need Brady to come in here and
You said you want Brady to come in here?
yeah, so you can
Oh,
diss your stops.
he's at work, bro.
Oh man, yeah,
let
he's
let
saving
that man
lives now.
rest. Let that man rest.
Yeah,
Brady had a good week this week too.
yeah. Brady's a beast.
Okay, okay. Again, guys, me trying to confirm my bias here. What do we have? We have the classic 3 drive. One, two, three. Sell the fuck off right now. We'll get done with this. You know what I'm saying? quick, um, easy, $500 in profit from right here. I believe in it.
Beautiful.
It'd be great if we didn't even
Oh,
tap the order block at all. Personally, like I could see it. I believe.
oh, you're getting cooked in the chat
You said
again.
you're gonna sell my buy stop. What? That's crazy.
Yeah.
Like the way you're doing me is crazy. What,
We're getting
bro? If
so
you sell my
bullied
buy
in this
stop,
stream.
never tune into my stream again.
We're gonna get banned from the stream channel.
No, that's wicked. What?
Can we kick members from this oh damn. Yeah, we can disconnect someone from this call.
Yeah, watch what you're doing here, Joker.
Good to know. No, you can kick me. I can get back in.
Wait, can you kick me? Don't do it because I'm streaming right now and I'm recording. Don't do it. But can
Yeah,
you?
but I can kick like other members and I
Oh,
can
okay.
turn off the video and I can mute them. I
Okay,
can
word.
move them. We got nice permissions here in this channel.
No, we do.
That's it. Other than that, we're fucked.
The position just absolutely chilling right now. Thinking some time distortion until 9:30.
Oh, you holding to 9:30?
Yeah,
I
I'm
think
gonna hold it. It's a good position right here. Like they gave me my original entry back. I'll fucking take it. Right? Like I'll take it. Again, selling in a higher time
well,
frame premium, selling in a lower time frame premium right here. Like this
I
is
like
just
it on move here.
basic mechanics defining your trade right here. I mean, I shouldn't even have to watch something like this because like this setup is probably the cleanest setup I can even get all day. Like I don't think I can get one on YM. Yeah, YM gave me my setup yesterday, but it's just stuck inside a range today. This should be like right here, just inducement, inducing longs, and then a swift sell off right here, back to hell. Selling my buy stop is crazy, bro. Oh yeah, guys, if anybody's trading on like indices right now and you guys haven't switched your contracts yet, definitely switch your contracts because you don't want to get let your trades get stuck on the wrong side, no volume and stuff like that. Definitely switch your shit out. You guys are trading indices. Again, like I only trade NQ and YM, so not looking for nothing out of ES here. This 15-minute Sibi is actually holding up pretty well. Like this is to me like just clearly time distortion inside of the Sibi here. Um, maybe we get another swing up. Maybe not really expecting something like that to happen. Oh yeah, just print for me, baby. Forget 9:30. We don't need that, guys. I could take another $24 here, and in total that would be $70 on the day. If we think about it, that's pretty good.
It's a nice payment, man.
It and back up it goes. God damn. Yeah, probably looking for another buy side raid here. Another one potentially. Yeah, but just raiding a bunch of internal buy side. Looking for like higher time frame PD arrays to push us down here. Because we've just been in this premium for too long. Like I can't really look for longs, right? Yeah, you're just gonna sit through some of this time distortion here. Like clearly time distortion, no expansion here. Uh, not really even compressing the range because we took the high. Like we continuously are taking highs. So Definitely price is just waiting for that 9:30 to cook up. Now I would be so sick, right, if 9:30 just completely violated my buy stop and then melted, but like my stop is there for a reason, right? That 4-hour order block should hold up if it does get there. Risking 250 on this trade. Honestly, kind of want to set my buy stop up a little higher because NQ tends to have those, you know what I'm saying, crazy ass price swings, like where it could even swing through the mean threshold. But no, we're gonna keep it nice and clean right here. I don't want to lose more than 250. Yeah, right here, guys. 2 minutes and 30 seconds till market open. We'll see what happens. Time comes first, then price. Wait, Joker, can you trade Forex through your challenge, bro? What are you? Which one are you taking?
I can trade everything, yeah.
Okay, because you feel me. I'm trying to get on some Forex grind. Like I seen them Forex boys like
Well,
jumping, eating good on Euro USD.
Australian dollar just, I mean, I take credit just because I'm still learning it.
Mm.
It gives such a beautiful setup today.
Yeah, I don't know
Huge
nothing
long.
about, you know what I'm saying, like all the pairs and stuff like that. But I'm down to learn because I remember Tim. Oh wait, Tim hasn't been trading, but didn't he switch to Forex? He should start printing from that.
It just showed today. A
Yeah,
big chunk. It took a big piece today. Tim is getting it.
Tim works at JP Morgan, right?
Yeah. He's a market maker
Yeah,
now.
he is a market maker.
Well, I gotta go eat. So I will talk
I'll
with
see
you
you later,
later,
man.
guys.
Be good, man.
Have a good rest of session. Goodbye.
Okay, yeah, 9:30. Like I'm definitely expecting a sell off from right here, guys. It's just the time distortion is clearly like distorting us inside of this 15-minute Sibi right here, hourly Sibi. I don't believe we hit the order block from here, guys. I definitely think it just sells. See what we can get starting from here, but I'm looking for just a sell here instead of a move up. It can manipulate a 9:30. I'll still be comfortable, but yeah, I'm just looking for a giant move down, right? Again, like ES coming into that 15-minute Sibi as well. Equal highs right here, starting to sell off there. 9:30 in 10 seconds. We'll see what happens, guys. Manipulation should not be too crazy on this one. I think it just shorts itself down. I mean, kind of stuck like right where we're at right here, though. Not a crazy manipulation up or down. See what happens. Yeah, 9:30 is looking great. Yeah, again, expecting just a sharp sell down here at 9:30. Time and price alignment here. 15-minute Sibi, hourly Sibi coming into play. We'll see what happens though. Oh, looks like we are getting manipulation up. See what's going on. Yeah, candle closes green here, which are good. Oh, sharp sell down, sharp rejection from that. I don't think we make it above this 15-minute Sibi here, guys. This 15-minute Sibi is defending price very strongly. You can see that original manipulation just get absolutely wiped out. Our trade is in the green right here. Let's see if it can continue here, or it's gonna keep, you know what I'm saying, like manipulating. But I think it just sells from here. The 15-minute Sibi defending price very well from here. Oh, back in the red. You're not really sure where price wants to go with this manipulation. Want to see some candle closes, maybe the first 5 minutes. A little choppy here, a little scary. Keeping in mind again, we are above the true 730 open. I can't even be bullish from here. So again, just using that true 730 open, are above the true weeks open here, above 830, below midnight, of course, but midnight is like way high up, right? So SMT with NQ. Do we have SMT? I don't really see nothing from right here. Just gonna let price digest this 930 open. A lot of choppiness going on here. Might be a low probability day, honestly, but I'm pretty sure this is the high quality, like highest quality trade, like I can even get from something like this. So, like, not gonna sweat this too much right here, right? Like, if we make it, we make it. If we don't, I'll take it on the chin. Now, if we can get some nice downward expansion to crack lows, I would really appreciate that. Okay, it looks like we're getting some expansion candles here. Again, manipulating up at 930, right? Deeper into the 15-minute Sibi. And we just get hopefully like a nice clean sell off from here. Oh, yeah. And yeah, nice clean sell off from here, guys. We plan the trade out ahead of time. Now, one thing I am watching for is going to be, again, that OTE happening from this busy here. So if we can't like displace through it or clear it like relatively quickly, I'm gonna be less interested in something like that. Now NQ is the weakest pair clearly. Like if we take a look, definitely like just SMT in between like the dynamics of these pairs and stuff. Uh, ES looking like it can still continue pushing up from this as a propulsion block here. YM pushing strongly. So I mean EXY starting to come up a little bit, but NQ maintains weakness from this point. Deep in a premium, we got our sell, right? NQ maintaining its weakness here. We're gonna see we're gonna see if we have to take this one out for a scalp. I mean a lot of volatility from NQ. I generally don't like holding onto NQ if it just doesn't print. But again, strong expansion candle downwards after the original manipulation up. We're gonna see what happens here though. Taking this low right here. Um, there a higher time frame PD array. Rejection block kind of looks like, but ES, yeah, ES definitely holding up its end of the table here, pretty strong. I don't know though. NQ to me look like is set up for a perfect sell. Like this is just not looking like the strongest um of the indices here. I'm gonna maintain my bias here. Now ES could definitely pump it though. ES could definitely pump this up because if this is like a secondary manipulation to the downside, like it's just gonna, you know what I'm saying, like give us a pump. Just hovering at equilibrium here though, like bouncing up and down. But again, we do have that higher time frame PDA right here. Not really anything in terms of higher time frame on the low side for NQ, so I'm gonna stick to my bias here. We should see, okay, 5 minute immediate rebalance. Should see a nice expansion candle come through from here. If not, we'll think about selling it. I haven't really been in the red for this position though. Price having, I mean, ES looks like it's having a hard time continuing upwards. Uh, oh wait, actually, let me hold my words, right? Because ES looks like it's doing the most in terms of like pumping. NQ here, NQ like still maintaining weakness though. Like every single pump is getting sold off, right? So I mean, if we did have a market structure shift in terms of like the higher time frame. Like pumps should get sold. Like every pump should just be dumped. Every rally sold off. So like this right here again, not really worried about it. Still green on the position, still looking good. DXY finding some strength here. I don't really use DXY like too much in Confluence, but it's cool to see if they align, like and then indices start. You know what I'm saying? Taking a little more of a hit. Get on the 5 minute here, and we're looking good. Fine position right here. 1 minute, you're definitely gonna get some kind of like shifting happening here. A market structure shift. It looks like NQ just kind of failing to dig deeper though. Maybe because of ES. ES is I'm not sure. ES dips into this order block here. NQ's weak, ES is strong. Not really sure what side to pick from here, but I mean, I just like the fact that NQ is so weak at my higher time frame port of interest at this exact time. You know what I'm saying? Like this is a trade I would probably take 100% of the time. Like especially like I said, we were looking for expansion down from 930. Like that's kind of what we're getting here. ES just kind of seems to be gatekeeping price from heading down, but I'm thinking this is a true reversal for the market state here, so we should get that continued sell off like relatively soon. Um, don't really see like what could be holding NQ up other than ES. So as soon as ES finds like some sort of weakness, I'm gonna check on the hourly here. Okay, ES hourly mitigation from right here. NQ definitely showing weakness here. Definitely like maintaining its weakness. I'm gonna hold on to NQ here. Excellent entry on the position. It's just the candle closes are key, guys. So like on the 5 minute again, we've had candle closes below that 15 minute SIBI, right? 15 minute, we still have 6 minutes and 33 seconds left, but like it, like from what I'm seeing right now, it looks like we're gonna get that close on the hourly again, wicking into that premium, right, and then selling off from there. That's that's all I'm seeing right now. SMT with YM, that might be it for NQ. 7:30 open is considered the true. I actually don't know the logic behind it. I just know like somebody taught it to me online, and I've been using it ever since because I back tested it. I think it has something to do with like the AMD cycles of the week. So like if we take a look at like the true weeks open, right, it's gonna be Tuesday at midnight. Why? Because like Monday was supposed to be the accumulation for it, right? So okay, our trade going red here. Um, NQ is still relatively weak compared to ES though. Let's see what I mean. If I can find like a bearish confluence for okay, 4 hour order block here, tapping into the mean threshold of the 4 hour order block. Um, NQ again giving us a deeper dig into the 15 minute SIBI, not closing over the SIBI yet. So I'm all right with this right now. Like this to me is not the worst thing that could happen. If we generate a failure swing right here, I would like that even more, right? Because it would be another fractal AMD cycle. So again, you have your accumulation down here. Let me use my brush tool. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, right? So that to me doesn't seem like the worst possibility that could happen. I'm definitely leaning bearish for NQ. Cannot be bullish from this point. But if that turtle soup and like holds up from the morning, looks like we might get a dig. It's just that like these lows right here, they don't sweep liquidity, right? So because of something like that, I'm thinking it's just NQ giving the pump here, or ES giving us the pump here. I'm still expecting bearish momentum to come into play. Again, still 9:40, still early in the morning. NQ having a really hard time displacing above this 15-minute SIBI. 15-minute SIBI is holding it in place. Oh, it could happen here. Okay, now another thing that could shift my perspective is that we have the the taking of like low range sell side, right? And then we come in here, this BISI gets respected twice, right? But I'm thinking like market structure, like to me, doesn't really matter in the face of a higher time frame PD array. So I'm expecting my 4 hour order block to get respected here. The only thing that I'm having a little bit of trouble with is that uh ES is pushing so strongly, looking to take those highs. But again, like we're just gonna stick to the plan here, right? Buy stop directly above the mean threshold of that order block. NQ could be a little exaggerated actually, and actually take the mean threshold, but like I don't want to lose more than 250 on a trade if I do lose, right? Unfortunately, it looks like price is just barreling up from here, so we'll see what happens. Like, though we take a look at all these fair value gaps, they're not getting filled. This might be another inducement here, um, happening. Monitoring this closely on the 1 minute here. Now we'll take a look at price having that immediate rejection away from that 4 hour order block. That right there is like what I like to see. So I will give price another chance to tap into the order block again. But having like a rejection away from it as soon as it touches it, that is definitely a good sign. Now what we could do is take a look at this entire thing as an accumulation. So again, A, M, D. Again, like just trying to frame like narrative here. I don't really see us taking highs for NQ in the face of that order block. So definitely not going to look for that. Okay, yeah, nice sell off reaction from there. Right here, guys, like we can keep expanding up, but like in the face of a higher time frame PD array, you can see like this is what's happening with price, right? Before it was down 160, now down less than than 100. Want to see continued expansion down. With a 4 hour PD array, what are we looking for in terms of like the price chart? I'm going to be looking for 15-minute expansion candles down. So a 4 hour PD array generally generates a 15-minute expansion. So like again, 15-minute candles should start printing bearishly for me. Now, again, this 15-minute candle has yet to close yet, so um, not too sure about it here. Price coming into that BISI rallying up again. Uh, Again, hitting that 4 hour order block. If we don't get the right reaction here, oh, it's going to stop me out. It looks like it is, like, at least. Yep. Unfortunate, guys. Out of the trade here. First loss on the challenge. Well, I mean, technically, we only lost 200 bucks on the day because I made that quick scalp. But looks like we have buying coming in from the bottom, so we're gonna look to take liquid highs here. Again, I can only really look for short setups. Oh, it'd be crazy though if NQ wicked um if NQ wicked my stop and then sold, but I don't think that's gonna happen. That 4 hour order block looks like it's getting disrespected here. Damn, Londo, that long would have been green. Yeah, DXY selling off here on the 4 hour. Unfortunate, guys. Unfortunate. We were not able to take a win. Took our first loss on the challenge, but it was managed. So cannot complain about that. Still above the 730 open here. I'm looking for any signs of like a reversal to happen. Um, because I don't really believe in a like a buying day here. I don't know. Price just barely wicking through that order block, but not closing above it. I will re-enter a trade based on this order block if I can get in though. Right? Like to me, this is all manipulation. Yeah, ES above midnight, NQ. Oh, NQ did actually make it to midnight, Londo, it looks like. What you were saying before. Yeah, looks like that turtle soup did hold up well. So, from the bottom there. Yeah, but I'm gonna trust my higher time frame PD arrays over like the lower time frame every single time. So I mean that's why I didn't scale into a trade like this, guys. It's just not worth that. Take a look at the daily here. Daily, I mean, we just had that volume imbalance and then bounce up. I mean, order flow right here clearly bullish. Can't really see. Oh, dude, I want to enter from this so bad, but like if I put another $250 of risk on and like enter at the exact same place I stopped at, oh, this is gonna be crazy. 1 minute CSD candle happening here. Do we do it, guys? No, no, this can't be right. Why did I re-enter after my initial entry didn't work on the? No, 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 no. It's because I didn't trade it like based on market structure, but I wasn't aligned with time. So the initial entry was actually like just like not like that good of a trade because the time alignment wasn't there, right? But the secondary entry was at the exact same place I entered, right? Like I didn't like it's not like I lost anything on the first trade. Like I just exited because like I wasn't in line with time, but then like again lining myself back up with time at the exact price I was looking for, like I'm going to take that trade like every single time. It's just that again like not working out because of we have the 5 minute busy here, order flow bullish based on like the 5 minute BPR. It looks like I mean price honestly like based on the higher time frame here looks like it wants to continue up to hit that weekly order block, and that's what it's going to do, right? Again, not going to put myself too much at risk there. Yeah, yeah, it was the time factor SC. So it wasn't like an impulse trade. It was the exact same trade like that I just took. I just entered at a different time. Okay, now this could also provide us with something right here. 1 hour order block here. Um that we're digging into. Strong reaction from that. Yeah, I just don't really believe in being bullish at such a high premium without a retracement. If this digs like right here below like that order block, that original 4 hour order block, like I feel like just like I feel like I should be taking this trade. Um Based on like bearish bias, but again, like I want to align myself with the market like if I can. It's just that like wait, where's the RTH gap? Did it get filled on? Let me see. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, okay. So it did get filled. Oh, this is what you were talking about, Londo. Is this something you use every day? I might look into that. Yeah, the gap fill. Okay, you expect like a reversal or something like that from there, right? Okay. Yeah, it just looks like a print straight up. It might just be just a move up here, guys. I mean, 950 macro. Actually, this happening at 950 is kind of like some sort of confluence in terms of time, right? Temptations, guys, temptations. We could enter the trade here, of course. Actually, I'm gonna take a screenshot, um, just of this so I can journal it later. First loss on the challenge here. Unfortunate. But I mean, we'll see if we can take a trade to hit our get back. It's just that like right now, I'm not really seeing too much here. Like definitely thinking we could come up to raid um highs further. So I'm gonna be patient here. Not looking for too much. 950 macro though. So again, a reversal, like if it does decide to happen here, would make sense. Is the silver bullet usually a retracement to confirm trend to continue trend, or can it be an SMR too? I'm not really sure what you mean by that. Like what do you mean by like the silver bullet being an SMR, Michael? Price definitely having a hard time at this order block here. Is there any other confluence for ES? ES rejection block off the previous day's high. I mean, it does hit the CE of this rejection block wick here. It's probably they're probably going to continue pushing for previous day's high. Unfortunate we couldn't get a trade in today. That worked. Was looking to end the week strong, but yeah, not the best trade from there. Yeah, like what do you mean? Can it be an SMR too? Like with the silver bullet? Your silver bullet should be the second distribution. Yeah, now well notice we have one Sibby here, another Sibby here, unfilled Sibbies. The thing is like I can't be bullish like above the 730 open, right? So the truth of the matter though is like 930 does come down to this BC again before bouncing, and we also get like a move underneath the 730 open. Uh, it looks like to manipulate at like 8:35, so like the news time. So like it does make sense we're bullish. It's just that like me like I can't take like a continuation trade just this high in premium. Yeah, no. I mean, if we think about entries here, there's not really like the low risk buy would basically be the turtle soup at the bottom, and then you get your Bissy like so your first distribution and then second distribution coming in at 9:30 again, and then we just have that silver bullet move up, right? But again, like price is not exactly moving the strongest up here. Like, hold on, if I mark out that 4 hour order block again, right? Getting a move below the 4 hour order block, I would be pretty interested in taking a continuation entry. Um, to the downside, of course, because we haven't swept like real sell side here, right? So again, like this hourly order block right here looks to be giving us a little bit of weakness. I don't really want to go higher like this deep in a premium. Like I want to be looking for shorts from right here. I just have to be careful because we already expanded up pretty high. Um, but it looks like we have finished like a market maker buy model here. It looks like it. I would just be looking for a continuation if I could. So let's say we get something on the 1 minute. Definitely interested in something like that. If not, looks like we're just gonna have to take the loss on the chin today. Still above 1K overall equity. Did lose out on 250 today, unfortunately. The price, I mean, price looks still pretty strong here. It might just rally the whole day, guys. I mean, like if it does, like there's not gonna be any real way I can take um an entry at ES 15-minute BPR. If you're talking about this right here, I could see it. I could, but it's a little tough from where we're at. I don't know. Like anything could happen from this point. Like it's just that like in a premium, like I can't look to go long from here. Just wouldn't make sense, like according to my trade plan. But it does look like again we are getting that sell happening here. 950 macro going on. Like if we get a sell though, like this could just slide back down, right? This is all like a low resistance liquidity run. Like this could just completely just slide down. Um okay, yeah, no, 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 guys. This 1 hour order block here is gonna be it. It looks like we're coming to fill this 5 minute BISI in here, but yeah, hourly order block looks to be defending price here. Looking for a continuation entry now if I can get it. Either an order block or fair value gap entry. Not mind either one of those. What we have to look for though is the close, right? So we're gonna take a look at this 15-minute close here. Hourly candle is kind of like janky as fuck though. Like you take a look at something like this is crazy. This is to me looks crazy as fuck. Now on the hourly, it does look like we just get a nice open high low close here on the hourly, and then continue expanding up. That should be what this is. So again, not able to take a trade based on my system here, unless we push up into this and then just fold from here, because this could be again like open high getting because this would be open low, high and then close, but this could just be open high and then we need to make a low from here. Um, reverse from here. Okay, here's the time where we start using our standard deviations. Let's see if we can find a little something. Oh shit, it is at the 2 and 2.5. Hey Cody, should we short? Are we shorting Cody? No, that's crazy. This actually like wicks my sell stop here. Yeah, comfortable like a little more comfortable with shorts from here. Gonna see if we get the displacement down. Just looking for a nice market maker model down. Because we would take a look at this, with what is it? Let me go on the 5. With this as the original consolidation. So, like, because I can see it most clearly on the 5, I'm probably looking for structure shift on the 1. Keeping in mind we have this 15-minute busy here, but it looks like that 4-hour order block that we did get to close above, on the 15-minute is supporting price. So, yeah, yeah, no, not expecting anything from here. Looking for time to come in. If this was the buy side objective today, though, and that's all we can get from the AM session, there's not going to be a reversal here. Yeah, it just looks like again digging into that 4-hour order block, continuing to expand up to take the previous day's high. That looks like the clear draw on liquidity here. Now, if I can find like a PD or okay, there is a weekly order block like above the previous day's high. So if that happens at 10:30, we'll take a short from there. Unfortunately, this is the first trade we actually lost on the challenge, so that kind of fucking sucks. But I mean, I would take that trade anytime. So, oh, I know that boy Londo got in again, eating good, eating fucking good. Yeah, good shit, Londo. God damn, that was a clean trade. And Q just having a ton of trouble at this hourly order block here. Thinking we maybe get consolidation here for probably even the next hour could be if the buy side objective was met. But at the same time, the buy side objective should be the previous day's high. Like that's the only real place I can see us going from here. Like after violating all of these bearish PD arrays, after taking so many liquid highs. Okay, I mean I'm gonna see if I can find something on YM here too, because didn't get anything out of that. Oh shit, this is looking crazy right here. I mean, we have the first breakout of the range. SMT at the lows here. Jesus Christ. YM did not play any fucking games today. It said we're mooning. It mooned. Yeesh. All these PD arrays completely invalid. Absolutely displaced through those. Um, Previous day's high seems to be the draw based on this rejection block here. Don't really like this rejection block too much, but it is what it is, right? Looks like just a classic buy day. Starting from like 7 o'clock, 7:30. I should have seen this manipulation down as something, but it's just I couldn't find a higher time frame PD array to support price bullish, so I had to frame bearish here. Okay, YM showing some weakness at the top here. Here's an hourly order block here. Let's check the 4 hour, 4 hour rejection block. Again, not really the most liquid highs though. Oh, it does take these equal highs up here on the 5. They show up on the 15 too. This could be a good place for a reversal actually. 10 o'clock, we take that as the manipulation time. Going to the 1 minute here. coming above the true week's open. Again, I know I'm spitting a lot of ideas right here, but like this shit actually looks valid to me. I would probably take this reversal too, but I can't really see like weakness on NQ yet. So if this continues pumping again, I'm gonna get slapped out of my position here. I'm gonna wait for some real SMT. Yeah, NQ just super bullish here. Previous day's high, about to get attacked for all three indices here. I'll be all right if I can't get a trade today, but I just oh wait, this actually wicked into a discount to start the day. I did not see that. Okay, wow. Yeah, it actually continued. It's time distorted for the entire night and then continued here for my original long setup. Which is crazy too, guys, because if you think about it, like yesterday, I was actually in this trade to go long. Like I got in like right here, right? At the bottom, but it just didn't do it because like, it didn't have enough time to. Time distortion all the way overnight, and then we get our actual rally from here. At the same place where I would have caught my original OTE, but I just didn't have that on my chart. Oh, unlucky. Unfortunate right there. Yeah, like seeing that, like I'm thinking we probably don't get any more moves other than this expansion in the AM. Like because we're in premium, I can only look for a short. Um, yeah, I'm thinking that's gonna be it. Did I plot my dealing range wrong too? Like, is this the actual dealing range? Oh yeah, we did come below. So yeah, price just looking to head up here. Um, not exactly certain what's going on, but taking the previous day's high. Yeah, looks like we just continue on up. This is actually like just a classic buy day here. Did not see this coming. Um, but it makes sense. Low resistance liquidity at the bottom. I mean, from the bottom up. Not getting my preferred trade today of a short. Did you guys take any longs like other than Londo? You guys got in on longs? Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying, right? Like it's just I was looking for shorts, but not really anything conclusive coming out of this. No SMTs from the indices happening. Now, I mean, let me take a look at NQ1 again, right? NQ1, what we can do. Oh, got it. NQ1, what we can look for here is. Oh, I just marked this whole weekly fucking busy out. It looks like Jesus Christ. I don't even know what that's marked out as, but so for me, this right here is going to be our last stand for shorts. The order block right here. This is also the order block that sweeps liquidity, right? So 152. I don't know what this okay, I do have this set to on. I don't know when that happened, but I don't even know what that does. I just have the continuous contract adjusted for contract changes. You're gonna look for maybe a short, like around 27.5 points up if we can get there. Order block should provide a strong reaction just based on the weekly. So
Oh, how has it been?
it was terrible, Joker. I got
Terrible.
absolutely fucking fried.
Yeah, boy, I just opened the chart and I saw it pumped so hard.
Yeah, no, it 9:30 manipulated back down into a busy and just ran. I should have seen it coming because but it was because like it manipulated up first into my 15-minute busy and hourly 15-minute sibby and hourly sibby. So,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, Nick.
And
Yeah,
on
no, I can show you the
4 hours, I was
SMT
like,
from the bottom there. Cuz some people had trouble finding it, so like you have your low get rated here, equal lows get rated here, and then you take a look at YM. YM does not do it. Does not rate the lows. That's the SMT right there. Again, like hard to spot, right? Like, pretty hard to spot from there, but that is going to be it in terms of SMT. Previous day's high right here. Maybe wait till 10:30 um for our weekly order block to hit. Just like all of these PD arrays got violated because the draw on liquidity is probably like just continuing to go up. Weekly order block again. Um
we just below that on the block.
yeah, we're just below it. We're I think how many points?
Around
Like
27.
yeah.
I mean,
We were at around 27 before.
yeah, we were, yeah.
Yeah, now more like 47, but NQ can make that move
27,
pretty
it's a
quick.
P03 number.
What happened?
It's a P03 number, 27.
All right. I mean,
We
I never even really learned about that Joker, so because
It's just
every
if you notice, if you measure, most of the stop rates are P03 number, so 3, 9, 27.
yeah, but I mean, from
The
the
higher
previous
time
day's
you go,
high,
the
if
higher it
this
will
is
be.
like the stop rate, like it's not really 27. Like it's gonna be like 42. I don't
Yeah,
think that's a PO3 right there.
I mean, but it could be from new high that got created.
Shit, it could be.
But
It looks like the previous day's high was just the buy side objective, though. Like that getting taken, like we didn't expect like some kind of consolidation happening for the rest of the AM session. Yeah, no,
that's
no,
an
no.
insane AM session.
That is Nick. Yeah, I like we learned a little bit about that. Like somebody wrote about it in Hobby's book, but
It's from Hoppy's book, yeah.
yeah,
It got leaked everywhere, by the way, so if
yeah.
anyone wants, just search online and you got it.
Oh, Brady just joined. Brady, I should have fucking. I never should have
Yo,
traded in this
Brady.
market, bro. Like I just got absolutely fucking destroyed. First losing trade of the challenge. Unlucky. Now on the 15-minute, like all of this stuff looks like good for a what low resistance liquidity run down. If we can get that at 10:30, is something I'm going to be interested in taking. Just align time with it. Um, Other than that, I can't really look for nothing else here. Like this is probably it might even pump the whole day. Like we don't know. We're just gonna use like time confluence here. I won't be trading the PM today because like with this kind of expansion, I'm thinking PM consolidates. Actually, just gonna journalize that baby win and then that losing $200 for the day on a scalp because I made 50 bucks a little earlier. Not the worst. Okay, that's gonna put us at the 89% trade win rate right there. Not the worst. We'll take it. Yeah, just gonna journalize this while I have the time still. Oh wait, actually getting a sell here from previous day's high. This might just be a retracement though. Are any PD arrays supporting this? I don't see shit really. Yeah, previous day high sweep though from YM. YM super weak here, looking like. But I don't really see why from this chart. The big ass volume imbalance here. Is that what it is? Yeah, not really getting nothing out of this right here. Yeah, to me it looks like some sort of retracement back into the weekly order block. He said the 1 minute breaker on NQ.
Who is that, Rob?
No, Brady. I don't think
Ah,
Rob's in here today. Rob's on vacation.
all right. He got anniversary or something.
Yeah, wedding anniversary. Rob, you gotta let him be.
Yeah, yeah. We're
That
gonna let
man's
him
been
be.
on demon mode for too long.
Need to chill, man.
Okay, no. Here's what we're gonna do here, lads. Right? Now let me relax. Everybody, calm down. Wait, no, do I do it though? It doesn't look like the worst. It's just this previous day's high raid, right? But like, I think it can still continue. Do we see it through one time? The shorts don't look the worst, but they just don't look the best. Like on the 1 minute, sure they look good, but 5 minute, I'm thinking this could still bounce into that order block on the weekly. We completely ran through that weekly sibby. Like, yeah, it didn't even do nothing. So no, that's the revenge trading talking. Let's stay away from that. Because I won't lie to you guys, I definitely really want to enter a trade right now, but I can only like go short from here, and nothing looks great. Oh, freaking Mike took that great long. He should give his signals earlier. Yeah, definitely. Again, like just a retracement down from previous day's high, continuation up. Okay, now I mean, if we can get some SMT at the highs here, maybe. Not looking like it though. Yeah, everything just failure swinging here. Wait, did this high take a low? No, it was the low that took the high. I can't trade this. Joker, are you just tape reading?
I'm not even looking the chart right now.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I'm thinking that long was the only real thing I could take. I'm not gonna like, you know what I'm saying, sacrifice mental here trying to find a trade on this chart. It looks like we're probably just gonna consolidate for the rest of AM here. Um, SMT with YM since all the other ones took the high and YM didn't take the high this week. Technically, yeah, like it is an SMT with YM right there. But am I looking for like that trade, especially with like YM's structure? Like definitely not, right? Like YM does not have a good structure to support shorts down. And not going to be getting nothing great out of this AM session. Unfortunately, was not aligned with the market today. Was on the wrong side of it. Should have known better after we started rallying from that soup. But you know, you live and you learn. The trade did not go well, hybrid. Unfortunately, we took our first loss on the challenge. Took it on the chin. $250 lost. Not the best way to end the trading week there, but I mean, actually, we didn't lose $250 because I scalped like $50 earlier with like the same entry price. So technically, only a $200 loss. We'll take it on the chin, right? Like after commissions and fees, I don't know how much it was, but maybe like another $20 loss. So yeah, like maybe 220. I'll take it. Like not every day was meant to be a winner, right? You're gonna lose some days in the market. And I've been on like some crazy ass win streak, so gotta get humbled. Yeah, no, overall data, like I'm good to go. Like next week, I'm still gonna continue scaling, unless I take another loss. So like again, every trade risk is gonna be 250, right? Now, if we do win on the first trade, like and get like a full win, like $250 position, we're gonna be good to go. Like we're gonna make up the loss from today, and yeah, won't have to sweat it today. Just not the best setup for me. It's looking like yeah, an easy classic buy day. I didn't see it coming though because I was like, oh, we're deep in a premium stuff like this. But the draw on liquidity is clearly higher, because we are rejecting our lows here, and continuing to break highs. So um, yeah, like gonna be looking for something like that, but like it doesn't look like a 1030 is gonna give us anything. Looks like price is just chopping around here. No more expansion. Makes sense though. If the previous day's high was our buy side objective, so I'm actually gonna cut the recording here and probably end the stream. I'll take one loss, on the week. Overall, we are up on the account $1,127.58 in about 5 trading days. I'll take it, right? It could have been better, but unfortunately, not aligned with the market today. So, yeah, like hopefully next week, starting on Tuesday again, we'll get a little better. But thank you guys for tuning into the stream. I really appreciate it. I'm going to stop the recording here.